Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna learn about operators. So I'm gonna write operators in here. Okay, let's see what we got in our page. Refresh the page and boom, we got operators. Okay, now what is operator? If you know C, C++, Java, operator means plus, minus, division, multiplication, and that's all operators. We got logical operators, binary operators, and lots of, but I'm gonna talk about basic and useful operators. So let's start it. So first operator is summation, means sum. So let's say a equal to 10 in here and b equal to 20 in here, and I'm gonna write, but document dot write a plus b. So this is our operator. You can see this is our operator. Operator always used in middle of operands. So let's save this and reload this, and we got in here 13, and let's comment in here plus. Okay, and that's how you can do minus. So just change the operator in here, minus. Let's see what we got in here. You can see we got minus 10. Okay, just remove this, save and open Google Chrome. You can see we got a minus 10. So that's how you can use operators. Okay, we got plus, minus, and the division, multiplication, division, and so on. So okay, let's talk about some real stuff. Okay, first important operator is less than. Okay, so let's save and open and reload. You can see we got true here. What is true? I talked about boolean in the previous video, and boolean is always written true or false. It means if a is less than b, the answer is true. If a is not less than b, so the answer is false. Okay, let's change the value. 15, okay, no, 55 is less than 20, so no, so the answer is false. Let's try reload, and you can see we got false in here. So this is the first operator, less than, and that's the same. We got greater than. A greater than b means a is big than b. So let's try save, open, refresh, and boom, we got true because a is bigger than b. You can see. So this is a less than and greater than operator. And then we got a equal to operator. Is a equal to b? So let's change the value of b, 55. So a equal to b means a equal to b. So the return is true. Let's see in here, reload this, and boom, we got true. And let's change the value of a or b, any once variable. Okay, 10. So now a is not equal to b, so then we got a false in here. You can see we got a false. Okay, and that's how we got another. We got and. Let's try and. We got and equal less. We got a less than equal to and greater than equal to. Let's try that. Okay, less than equal to means here, what if a is 10 and b is 10? Okay, and let's try only less than. So what is gonna happen? We got a false in here because a is not less than b. Why? 10 is not less than 10, but let's say a less than or equal to means smaller or equal to, so return is true. So let's try now. We got a true. So that's how we can use less than equal to, and we got a greater than equal to. You can see greater than equal to, and we got a AND operator like AND. You got a module operator. There is just so many operators available. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and you can check out all the operators and try it on your own example. Okay, we got a AND, we got a OR, we got logical AND, we got logical OR. But that is it for today's, guys. If you want to learn more about operators, link is in the description. Check out the link and check out all the operators, because it is basic, if you don't know any language, C, C++, Java, Python, so this is new for you. But if you know languages like C, C++, Java, Python, Kotlin, okay, so this is not new for you. So that is it for today's, guys. In the next video we are gonna learn if and else condition. So if you liked it, like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.